Hey everyone, welcome back to Money Wise Up. Today we're diving into a topic that affects everyone, the balance between saving and spending. Let's explore how to manage both without sacrificing your financial goals or life's simple pleasures. Understanding saving and spending. Saving and spending are two sides of the same coin. Saving means setting aside money for future needs, emergencies, or dreams, while spending is about covering today's needs and enjoying life's rewards. The challenge? Finding a balance that keeps you financially secure while allowing you to enjoy life. Why save? Savings provide a safety net and the foundation for reaching financial goals, like buying a house, retiring comfortably, or simply being prepared for emergencies. Why spend? Spending helps meet our needs and allows us to enjoy experiences, create memories, and live in the moment. So, how do we find the right balance between the two? Let's break it down. Tips for balancing saving and spending. Tip 1. Create a budget that includes both. A balanced budget is the foundation for healthy finances. Divide your income into essentials, savings, and fun. Try the 50-30-20 rule. 50% for necessities, 30% for wants, and 20% for savings. You can tweak these percentages based on your lifestyle and goals. Tip 2. Set clear goals for both saving and spending. It's easier to manage your money when you have goals in mind. Think about what you want to save for, like a new gadget, an emergency fund, or a future home, and also what you want to spend on, like a weekend getaway or a nice meal out. With clear goals, your spending feels more intentional. Tip 3. Prioritize needs over wants. Distinguishing needs from wants helps you stay focused. Cover essentials like bills, food, and rent first. Then think about how much is left for non-essentials. By taking care of your needs, you give yourself a more secure foundation for the extras you want to enjoy. Tip 4. Pay yourself. First, make saving a priority by paying yourself first. When you get paid, set aside a portion for your savings before spending on anything else. You could even automate transfers so you don't have to think about it each month. Tip 5. Enjoy your money. Guilt-free. Saving is crucial, but so is spending on things that make life enjoyable. You work hard for your money, so treat yourself to things that bring joy, just in moderation. Finding this balance allows you to save for the future without feeling deprived today. Saving and spending mindfully. Host on screen. Remember, finding the balance between saving and spending is personal. It's about staying mindful of where your money goes and creating a plan that works for your unique needs. If this video helped you, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to Money Wise Up for more financial insights. Thanks for watching, and until next time, keep building a life that's both financially sound